Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox audio not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you can do is there are plenty of reasons why that could happen. So first thing first is you simply have to make sure that your internet connection is good as well, because if your app is being connected and disconnected, that could be the reason why your sound is not working. And next step is while you're playing a game right over here, when you're playing the game, you have the audio is just turned down, like it's muted, and then that could also be the reason. Simply you have simply forgot to unmute it, and or maybe the volume is simply very low. You can go to this section, afterwards tap on settings over here, go to the settings section, and simply go ahead, check out the volume, and if it's all the way to the over here this loud, then of course you might not be able to hear it completely. So make sure to check your audio like that over there, and that should help you out. Now that's basically everything for you to know about your audio, because that is only thing you can do about it, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.